Alright guys, welcome back to Silly House Performance right here. So we got Augie's car. He doesn't know that I have his car currently because we're surprising him with some brand new long tube headers right here. He doesn't know that I have his car at Silly House right now. So he's about to pull up in a little bit. He doesn't know that his car's here, but we're going to surprise him with the long tubes and the manifold that I got yesterday from Kessel. So we're going to see what he says. Alright guys, so I actually started with the motor mount right there. As you can see, I'm actually removing the 15 mil bolt right there. I got an extension with a swivel socket at the end of it, and guess who's here? Augie is just about to pull up. I think so. Yeah, right there. I think I see him. Just close the garage door before you saw.
What's good, man?
What's good, brother? What are you up to? We got George's car in the garage.
Oh, do we?
Yeah. Yeah, just open up the garage for me, please.
Yo. How'd you get my keys? How'd you get my keys?
Go walk over there. Go see what I got you, brother.
No way. Yo, hold on.
I'm actually installing it right now as we speak.
Car, right?
Yeah, this is for George's car right there. I started with the motor mounts already, brother. Pulled up right in time.
Wait, that's for this car?
Yeah, it's for your car, brother. I'm not playing.
Yo. No.
They nice, brother. They are nice. Look at them welds, brother.
Holy. Yo, my neighbors are not gonna be happy about this.
Nah, that cold start fun to be different. I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
I just started. You want to help me put them in?
Yeah, I'm down.
All right, let's get her done.
Hey, no, is this actually for real?
Yeah, brother.
I thought my car was in the house.
Well, not today,
Yo, how's that cold start though?
bro. Because no
I haven't drove in a couple days.
Got you, bro.
This is the start.
Yeah.
This is the start. You ain't doing all the work. You already just got these from the Kessel. Jesus.
Dude, Kessel's a man. He said one day delivery.
Yo, if you guys ever need anything, hit up Kessel.
The guy has it.
Oh, I literally got the sweatshirt on. Yo, hit him up real quick. All right, let's get to this. Let's get to it.
Did you think you were gonna do this today? My boy thought he was gonna go home and nap.
Bro, I just got off work. Oh shit. What are you trying to do right now?
I'm taking out this motor mount.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, but this one you got to go in with the swivel and a small 15 on there because this header on this side kind of sucks. So, yeah. It is what it is. We're about to call all night.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
I think headers on 5.0s. Headers on 5.0s kind of suck. Dude, honestly, Silly House, we'll do headers, but it takes a long time. Kessel, on the other hand, he does headers, he does it in like 5 minutes. Like literally, he does it in like 3 hours.
Yeah, we should be there right now.
Yeah.
Good. Oh,
Alright, man, we're good.
oh shit, where'd it go? We're losing more bolts now.
I know.
I need that.
You don't need more rounds or something?
You're right.
Alright, Augie, what are you doing?
I am taking off the X pipe and disconnecting it from the tubes so we can get the whole header out at one piece.
We'll get back to you guys when we remove at least one header.
Yeah, one header.
We're gonna move motor mounts. Remember, you have to take off the bracket for the motor mount.
Yeah,
I should actually show you guys that right here. It's this bracket right here. This is the bracket you need to remove. So we're gonna toss the jack under there and probably put like a piece of wood or something soft to like hold up the oil pan, and then we're good to go. So we need wood, but currently we're at Home Depot and Home Depot is not open. So Augie's gonna break some wood and get some.
That's too big.
Yeah, it's too big. Well, yo, why don't you just do this?
Need some wood? Got you.
There you go, buddy. That didn't snap right in the middle.
Hey, it's not right in the middle. All right, one more time.
Augie, chill. Do the other side. Do the other side. No, Augie, just do this one. Just do this one.
Why is that shit not breaking?
Just do that one. There you go, brother. God damn. All right, we can use that. We can use that.
We can use these two.
All right.
Alright, we're gonna do a little surprise on Vic with the t-shirts that we got. Should we give the sneak peek now?
Sneak peek. I was waiting for all the videos.
He's been talking shit this whole time in the group chat, and we got a surprise for him.
Yeah.
Welcome to Silly House Garage, Vic.
He's been saying that
Let's give him a call.
So we don't give him enough credit.
Thanks.
Oh.
Hey, Vic,
The mailbox is
you. Hey, bud. Come over. Bless you.
What are you guys doing? Just putting the headers on?
Yeah, something like that. Why is there a Christmas tree, bro?
I'm at the pool room right now. Just
Oh. Yeah, come by. We got a surprise for you. Damn, bro, that must be a thick ass credit card back there.
Ernie!
Don't worry about it.
Yeah,
At Silly House Garage, we will remove those nails with
no,
a
we
nice
won't.
hammer.
Not today.
Do you understand how we got these pieces of wood?
You stole them.
Not
Yo,
exactly. No,
recap to
we
that
did.
moment when he goes, ah. Is it gonna work? Oh, you're good there, brother. Alright, guys. I ended up taking these 3 out bolts, and as you could tell, there is no more motor mount. Augie ended up taking it out.
We don't need that.
Nope. So now we got bolts exposed, so I'm gonna get under there while Augie is taking out the passenger side bolt. Wait, hold on. Can you see the boy? You can't see him. But he took out the motor mount. I'm gonna go in there with these right here with the extensions and everything and see if I could unloosen that header for this side while Augie's taking out the motor mount on the other side. This side is a lot harder. We might have to take out this bracket for this AC line, but so far it doesn't look that bad. So
Recording.
I need the light too. All right, guys, I got all the header bolts out. It's dark as hell. Give me the light. He hasn't given it to me.
What light? Oh.
My normal light. See that? She's all out. Look at that.
Give me the camera.
Oh,
What
there's
happened?
one more bolt.
There's one more.
I listened to it, but I didn't take it off.
Damn.
All right, we'll be right back.
We'll be right back.
Recording.
So, I feel dumb right now because I'm not doing nothing, but...
Damn, that looks like a few rounds, huh?
Shit, couple.
Come on, get it up.
What's wrong with the way we're there?
Because I'm charging it. Go, 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 go.
Oh, forgot to disconnect the O2s.
Oh my god.
Damn, what up?
Hold on.
You good there?
Oh god. I'm gonna go to the drive shaft hole and get to it. Unfortunately, it's an automatic, not a manual trans, so it's more work. But it's okay. We love you. Whoa. It's coffin season. All right, now don't let me sing because I will get a copyright. Because I'm a good singer.
Yeah.
They'll be like, oh, whoa, that's like the actual singer. All right, come on.
Oh, wow. There you go.
Oh, yay! It came! I didn't think it was gonna work.
Hooray! Hey, that almost hit me in the face.
She out.
I'm gonna cover my eyes so don't because she'll be now.
Well, that's one.
Alright, we got
One more to go.
That's the easy side.
Easy side.
Yeah, that's the easy side.
I'm still trying to get this one bowl out.
Yeah.
Eight in there.
These guys is the kind of company. Where are you?
I've been up there.
Oh my god. Where were you?
I was getting a top view.
Why didn't you say something? I'm like waiting for him up here. My hands hurt. My arms. Ah, beautiful. Wow. Whoa. Sorry, guys. Hey, John. Yeah. Do you want another one? Hold on. I have two more. No, I can't. George, mom, yours. John's busy. Oh. There you go. My arms are dying.
I got another nut.
Oh, God, thank you.
Hey, man.
We got Vic in the house. Victor.
You like that?
The big surprise comes.
Yeah, we're doing games on
I think we should put the camera somewhere real quick.
Yeah.
Oh, you put it on here. You ready?
We're not stripping for you, bud.
What does it say?
Make your lucky day.
You like the shirt? Good for you. All right. 1, 2, 3.
Bro, what the?
Welcome to Silly House Garage.
You like that?
That's so funny. It literally looks like a profile picture. That's funny. God, that is so funny. How old is this picture? That's
Oh my god, like a year ago.
that was that guy.
That's when George was
We're still
running
slow.
alley.
That was the day I picked up the bed, I think.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
Why was I mowing the grass?
Because remember that you came and they started chopping like crazy, and the neighbors called the cops on us.
Oh yeah, and I did that just so I
Exactly.
like I wasn't doing anything.
What's up, guys? Hold on, let me lower this music so I don't get no copyright. George is currently sleeping. As everybody knows, this passenger side for the headers are one pain in the ass. So
Motor for a little bit.
we got everything. Oh, we gotta pull the motor. Yeah, hold on, bud. I think that's when.
Oh, he's out.
We're good. We're good. That's cool.
There's the side clip right here.
I know.
It's facing me.
Sorry, guys. We got the header and passenger side, which is the hardest side. This side was the hardest side, but honestly, you just gotta have to have patience and a couple hands. That's it, and then just think hard. And both of these are out, so we'll catch you guys when you put the cab back in and everything else back in, and we're chilling.
Day 2.
Day 2. Welcome back to City House Performance. It's currently 4 p.m. Took a little nap from yesterday, and we got something to eat with Victor. So we're just gonna finish up the job, put everything back together. We're gonna have one bolt on the motor mount, and then we're gonna drop the motor down and then put these nuts up top and everything, and put everything back together, and then.
Well, on that note here, you dropped a nut.
Oh.
There you go, John.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate. What are you doing? Get your fucking nuts.
I'll fucking get on that, okay?
Get under and tighten your fucking nuts. Going on.
Good night.
I'm just gonna push you back.
She's finally on the ground. This thing's low. Oh, them headers, dude. They are low.
Yo, I need one of those sound canceling boxes now.
What's it called? Alright, we're gonna push this car out because it's too loud. We're gonna push it down the street. And George's neighbors don't like him already. So, I'm just gonna push her out.
Straighten out.
What happened?
I'm hoping there's no exhaust leaks.
Yeah, I'm hoping too. You tightened to every clamp?
Yeah.
Alright, then we're good.
The exhaust is 100%. I double checked that.
Yeah.
Alright.
Hold on.
Ready?
Oh my god, alright. We're good.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
I don't hear any leaks either.
Nah. This.
Wow.
That's loud. All right, let's go. I'm excited.
I can't wait to come. I was hyped.
Yeah, this thing sounds good too with the Corsas. It sounds kind of like normal right now.
Yeah. I mean, it's definitely
Like
louder.
you had to cut back.
It is definitely louder though.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yep. Listen, guys. This was definitely, if you're ever gonna do this, definitely start with the passenger side, because driver's side is the easiest side like possible. So just start on the right side. Like you gotta just use like your imagination sometimes to do these headers, because these bitches are freaking annoying.
Yeah.
On the passenger side. But once you get over it, because the bottom bolts are easy, but the top ones are kind of hard. And then putting it on the header is actually hard too. So you just gotta what's it called? Just get through it. Honestly, it's annoying, but once they're on there, pretty easy.
Mm-hmm.
So it's all good. Everything, but it should be like a quick process. You know? Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm really gonna drive.
Oh my god, you're gonna get in trouble.
Bro, I was not in any sort of gas. Like, I was not gassing the pedal at all.
This thing's so loud. Nick said it sounds fantastic. Look at that, guys. Oh, not focusing. Alright, there. Alright.
Not dead ass. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
That sounds quiet.
Dude, it got quieter. It got quieter.
It did?
I'm not even playing.
Hang on, let me hang on.
Yeah, why the fuck you calling me? Well, here you go. Give me the key.
Here's your key. Come on, man. Let's hear it.
Tell me that thing doesn't sound good.
My ears.
Right?
Wow.
Oh, you haven't seen the aftermarket.
I see what you mean by they're turning like a nice yellow bronze type of shit. That's
Yeah,
sick.
well, once they what's it called? Once you drive it more, it'll turn purple.
Mm.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, like the blue titanium shit
Yeah.
color? Yeah. Okay, that's awesome.
Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. For the next video, we're actually gonna have sound clips, rollers, and all this for this car, and what the Corsa Extreme, Corsa Sport does for this thing. This thing screams loud as hell. So just stay tuned for that next video, and I hope you guys like enjoy this little like video about like putting headers in, even though we didn't really show you guys a lot, but still, you know, I'm glad Augie enjoys the headers.
Yeah, I enjoy this car so much. This is gonna be, this is honestly the favorite thing that ever happened to me in my life. Honestly, this car has been my happiness, and just doing all this work with obviously all my friends is the best part of it too. So thank you, man. I really appreciate you so much. All right, guys, silly performance out. See you guys in the next video.